In this video, I will talk about Fiverr affiliates and I will show you my earnings for 4 days. And after that, I will share with you a very unique tip and amazing tip. I have done many mistakes in affiliate marketing and I want you to make this type of mistake. Otherwise, you will get confused and you will not get sales as in selling some products or services. I promote Fiverr Pro gigs, so they give me good amount you can earn as well. The myth I will discuss in this video and I will show you how you can get free traffic with targeted audience. The first thing is the myth is actually many people think that for affiliate marketing traffic matters. Of course, definitely traffic matters, but the thing is, not only traffic matters, targeted traffic matters. Because if we promote some services or product to people, but they don't like to buy that services or product, so they will not buy. Simple. So we will focus on that audience, that targeted audience. They are interested to buy that particular service or product. So for example, we are going to promote Fiverr gigs. So it depends on the other person if they want to buy services for web development, SEO, graphic designing, video editing, or different categories. So we will select that audience in this video so you will understand that what is actually affiliate marketing is and how we can promote our services. I only focus on targeted audience. I promote my gigs to targeted audience. If the person is willing to buy web development service, SEO services, social media marketing service, or different service, so I only promote that specific services to that person to person, or business to business, company to company. So this video will be very helpful for you. If you watch this video complete, you will understand the complete method. Otherwise, if you skip the video, you will get confused and you will ask me that we are not getting any sale or we are not getting any clicks or links clicks. If you are new, you can see my playlist on Fiverr affiliates, or if you don't know about how to create free landing pages, I am going to put my I button on my screen so you can watch this video as well. So let's move to the screen so I will show you. So guys, I am on my screen and you can see my earnings, and after that I will show you each and everything how you will do this, and I will show you the templates as well. I will give you the templates how you can do this. So keep watching this video and watch the complete video to understand the complete method. First of all, go to the Google and then write Yelp. Okay, so after that you will go to the Yelp and you will see over there are lots of restaurants, and you will select some restaurant that has no SSL certificate or SEO problems, graphic designing problem, web development problem. So you will find the problem first, and then you will identify the problem and tell the business person that your website has that problem. That's why you are not getting that much traffic, or your website is not good, like this. Okay, so this will give the value to other businesses and they will get services from you. For example, I'm going to select this restaurant from here. The restaurant is based on San Francisco, and I'm going to check their website directly. I'm going to click over here. After that, we will see that what type of website is this. I think this is not a big deal. I mean, this is actually a good site. It seems good. Yeah, it seems good. But you will find the website that has different issues, so you can email them. So how you will email them? You will just need to go to website and contact page, and then you will get that type of email address. Simple, very simple. So after that, So let's suppose we are going to check first that commission plans which you are going to promote. For Fiverr Pro, I mostly promote Fiverr Pro services. So it will give you $150, industrial $50, website builders and CMS programming tax $40, and e-commerce product videos, for product videos $30. You have multiple choices. You can promote multiple affiliate gigs. So this is not a restriction that you cannot promote that gig or those gigs. You can promote any gig, no problem. You can make multiple landing pages, and if you don't know about how to make landing pages, you can watch my playlist. Other categories, you can select 15. If you are beginner, you can I would recommend you to choose other categories. I mean the less amount but the more sales, and then you can just easily get some some services. For example, you are interested in social media marketing, for example, social media marketing, to give services people to the social media marketing. The third thing is in affiliate marketing. For the affiliate marketing, you don't need to work. Simple. You no need to work. You will just recommend. You will just recommend the freelancer to the business, and you will get commission. This is the beauty of affiliate marketing. So for example, I'm going to select some services from here, and I'll get some service from this person. So make sure whenever you promote some gig to the business, so make sure that that must have 5 rating or maximum reviews, like 5 rating, 114 reviews. I'm going to click over here, selecting the gig after. So basic $185 he is asking, or she's is okay asking, and standard $295, and premium $395. For example, we are going to promote that gig, so we will just need to go to the top of the bar and click copy, and then we will paste in our affiliate dashboard, change the link in the shortened link, and then promote. Simple, very simple. I don't know why people are so confusing to do Fiverr affiliate marketing. Very simple. This is I mean this is the basics. Fiverr affiliate marketing, I will recommend Fiverr affiliate marketing is the best choice for beginners or in the advanced level as well. So go for the, we have selected. So after that, you can select some restaurants from Google searches, local searches. For example, I'm going to select restaurants in California, Los Angeles. Okay, so we will find some restaurant from here, and then I'm going to click over here, and then I will click in some random restaurant, and we will check that if that restaurant, restaurant has the website has some issues. So randomly I'm going to select some restaurant, for example this one. We will go to the restaurant website. This restaurant is located in United States, so I selected this website. Okay, so you will get many websites, a lot of tons of websites, thousands of websites you can get. You will just need to email from here, the contact page, email them and tell them your website. If you want some social media marketing services, you can contact us from this link, or you can get the services from this link. So they will not contact you, they will automatically contact that freelancer if they want that specific service. For example, now it's time to share with you a template. First of all, you can see this template and you can change according to your requirement, according to your category. You can change it, no problem, very easy. So for example, one template is and the second template second script is this. So you can see, I hope you are doing well. I am reaching out because it has come to my attention that your restaurant business is not active on social media, that this type of thing. So you can change a little bit script according to your requirement. So this website is really seems good. So you will find the website that has some issues. You will find the issues and give them the solutions. I do this type of things with my in my strategy. I do these things absolutely free, so you can do this absolutely free, of course. So you will get results. Yeah, there are many people who have watched my videos and telling me that they have earning $500 to $600 per month minimum $500 to $600 with my strategies. And you can see my playlist, you can see easily, and you can watch it, you can implement it, and be sure that if you are new in this field, you can do this easily. I have already explained that how you can create free blogs for Medium, free blogs for article base, how you can do this, how you can promote your affiliate links on Quora, how Quora is a QA and question and answering website, how you can do this, how you can promote your links. You can do multiple platforms, you can do per day, you can target multiple platforms to generate your sales. You will not stuck in the one section. I am going to show you that if you are here on Google local searches and you will stuck over here, no, you can do at the same time. You can create blog for Medium, you can and for the affiliate link, you can create blog on article base, you can create the link, you can you can go to the Quora and you will question answering over there, put the affiliate or landing pages link. This is the method. So you will get multiple resources, and then you will get per day 2, 3, 4 sales, traffic, and of course first time in the first beginning you will get just traffic, not sales, but after that slowly and gradually you will get sales. Okay, so hope this video will be very helpful for you. If you like this video, please hit the bell icon and subscribe this channel, and take care. Bye bye.